In the previous lecture, we have discussed the semiconductor and devices. Semiconductor and device. Semiconductor and devices. Now we are discussing the two terminologies. First is the forward bias and the second is the reverse bias. Forward bias and reverse bias. Forward bias and reverse bias. Reverse. So now we can understand what is the forward bias and what is the reverse bias. If the PN junction diode, this is a PN symbol of PN junction diode. If this PN junction diode is connected to a external batteries, this is a external source, and this is called P, positive and negative. This is P and this is N. This is a battery positive terminal, battery negative terminal. If positive terminal of the applied voltage is connected to the P type, then this is called forward bias. Forward bias. In forward bias, the current is always in milliamperes. Current always measured in milliamperes, so we have to remember that. In the forward bias, the region, depletion layer region is decreases. Depletion layer, depletion region decreases. Thickness of the depletion region is decrease. The basic terminology we have to write it. Now we have to reverse bias. If this is a PN junction diode, and if a battery is connected in such a pattern, if this is a external battery source and this external battery source is connected to, this is negative terminal and this is positive terminal, this is for P and this is N. If P type crystal is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, then this is called the reverse bias. This is positive, and the current flowing in this type of circuit is in the form of microamperes. This is the basic terminology, and this is called the reverse bias. This is called reverse bias case. Now the region of deflection region increases in the case of reverse biases. The thickness of the depletion layer is increases in the case of reverse biasing. But only we have to remember that external battery source is connected to a PN junction, that is called the biasing of a PN junctions. If battery is positive terminal of the battery is connected to the P type of terminal, then is the forward bias. If the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P type, then this is called the reverse bias condition. In forward bias, the current is moving in milliampere and in the direction, and the reverse bias condition, this current is moving in microamperes.